Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm doing another bonefish fly for you. This is Haselau's St Francis Special. Really good little bonefish fly, developed originally for St Francis Atoll, but works all over the place. I've done well with it in Mexico, done the Yucatan and into Belize. As always, there will be a materials list in the description, along with a link to social media and the Patreon page for anybody that would like to register for the future giveaways. So, got the hook and the vise. This is a size 8 Tiemco 811S. This hook wouldn't be my first choice bonefish hook, the 811S in general I mean, but to get this fly, to get them a silver hook in a suitable size, this is what's available locally for me. The gamakatsus that I like to use are just too big, they don't come small enough. So I've run on some monofilament thread and I've put a bed right along the shank and back up. I've got to tie in my weight, which for this fly is a pair of small, or extra small, nickel plated lead presentation eyes, hourglass eyes. You want a fairly heavy eye in these, although it's a small fly, it's quite a fast sinking wee job. Gets down there. So get the eyes locked on. Take thread wraps between the eye and the hook to keep everything nice and tight. Oops. And then we're ready for the body, which is copper crystal flash. We take half a dozen strands or so. Make sure you don't have any wee short ones. We'll just tie that at the nose. I'll just draw the ends back. Oops, too much. So that there are no cut ends, and then we'll just come through the dumbbell eye, wind this back, we'll go all the way to the start of the bend, then I'll come to the front again. Don't worry if it sort of separates. When you can pull it together at the dumbbell again. Just figure eight it through. Try to make sure that you cover everything. Then you can tie it off. Now to protect this, I'm just going to apply a little bit of UV resin. And just a wee bit, like I don't want to build a big heavy body, it's just a coat. I keep this nice and small and thin. If you build it up, it will sort of, is like a magnifying effect. It makes the body appear to be much larger, so try to keep it nice and thin, just enough as protect the crystal flash. Right, when you're happy that's cured, you can get your wing. I'm using calf tail, but you could use any sort of translucent hair, goat would be nice. Arctic Runner could be good as well. As long as it's sort of semi-translucent or translucent, and you can get a nice sparse bunch. I'm just sort of hand stacking it. Taking out any sort of scraggly shorter fibres, and I'm just going to tie that in. Should be like a couple of times the length of the. Just take that away. Oops, a bit too much there. A couple of lengths of the hook shank. Right, so 2 to maybe 2.5, something like that. Right, you're looking for a long, thin, sparse wing. Two or three turns. Trim away your waste. Now, because the calf tail is really slick and you're using monofilament thread, which is also very slick, I like to just get a wee wipe with some super glue before I tie over the rest of the butts. Go over that a couple of times, make sure it's well secured. That's nice and firmly in place. For flash, I want just a single strand of crystal flash. I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'll tie it in one side of the calf, fold it back and tie over it. Again, that kind of pull out, that's nice and secure, and it's just about the same length. Now the last thing to tie in is a wee bit of chartreuse calf tail. The pattern that I have for this is in Dick Brown's book, the Bonefish Flies, and it doesn't say this, but I think it's a mistake in the book, because it's not in the material list, but it's on the picture. And I've got a really sparse bunch here, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 hairs, like really, really sparse. I'm going to tie that like 2/3, it should be 2/3 the length of the white, something like that, just a wee point of colour. Catch it in just the same. Make sure it's centred on top. Trim away your waste pieces. Don't miss any. I did. And then, same as before, get a lick with some super glue. Tie off over the top, build up a nice wee head, nice and neat. Cover up and then whip finish. And another. So trim away my waste. Now, because I've super glued that, I want to coat this again. Just because the super glue that goes off white and with the salt water, or it can. So I'm just going to take some varnish. You could use the UV resin if you like, but Get that head a nice coating. And that gives you a bomb-proof little head. So you've got a nice wee sparse but quite durable fly. And there you go. As I say, don't think this is just for like the South Pacific. It's deadly southern Yucatan. Really, really effective. Especially if you're like going away down south to like Chetumal Bay, like on the border with Belize, that kind of area. Well worth a place in your box. So I hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines guys, bye.